Hi there, and welcome to episode 119 of the Daily Shed, and today I'm going to show you about sliding notes around, especially within a chord. It's really something that no other instrument can do, other than a few other stringed instruments, but it's really unique to the guitar to be able to do this. And the intro to Fire and Rain goes like this. That. And as you notice, there's that slide. And the cool thing about it is that it slides into the chord, and that note that you're sliding then sustains while the rest of the chord happens. And what I'm doing is here on the G string, on the 4th fret, start there and slide up to the 6th fret. And the first thing you do is you hit the A. So you hit the A, the open A string, at the same time as the 4th fret on the G string, that B, and then you just slide it up. You don't pick it again, you just pick it once. And that's the key to a lot of sliding on the guitar. You don't have to pick the next note, it just slides into it. And it's a really nice, kind of cool effect. So slide that in, and then while you're holding down that note at the 6th fret, C sharp, then on the 5th fret of the E string, pluck that, then the 5th fret of the B string. So the whole thing is like this. Your open A and the 4th fret of the G string together, slide that to the 6th fret, then keep holding that down, 5th fret of the E string, 5th fret of the B string again. Okay, the next part, the next slide, is also cool. So you hit the open E string while you play the 6th fret on the G string and slide it back down to the 4th fret, like that. And then pluck on the 3rd fret of the E string, 3rd fret of the B string. So from the beginning, you play that on the 6th fret, that C sharp, you play it once in between and then play it and slide. So and to finish it, do a D chord, and then let your E string open and end with an A, like that. So again, the sliding part from the beginning, that's the beginning, and it's a simple technique. It's not hard to master. You just have to be able to hold down those chords, that note, while you're sustaining. Hold that down. That's the most important thing, to let it sustain. But it really adds a lot of expression, and as I mentioned, it's really unique to the guitar to be able to slide into notes in that way, especially while their chordal notes are going. So I hope this is useful to you. As always, let me know any questions or comments you may have, and thanks for watching.